Welcome back. Here's an update on the Ultimate Wolverine cowl. So to get things started, this file came from do3d.com and it actually came with a couple different options. I actually chose the files with the most texture and they came out great. And after I get the file, the work begins. So this is actually a free file that I made of my head, and the actual model itself I had to scale up to about 106%, and from there the other two pieces just followed along in that scale. The piece that you're looking at now took about 16 hours to print, the two side pieces 19, and then 8 for the front mask, which kind of looks like Sub-Zero. I then sanded this down with 220 grit sandpaper. Mwah, look at that, what a beauty. And then after that, with Rust-Oleum's 2-time Ultra Gray Filler Primer, that's my base coat to prime and set for paint. Since everything's going to be painted, I repeated that step for all of the parts. Alright, this tape could let go at any second. No, I'm just kidding. But as you guys can see, the sanding stage and the prep stage was very simple with this one. With the amount of detail that was actually printed with this file, there really wasn't much that I had to do. And here's what I have right now as far as the paint. So I'm definitely going to be going with a flat black for everything, because from the reference images, this paint or the finish definitely doesn't have like a real reflective kind of look. So this gloss red is what I have. This isn't really what I'm going to be planning on using. I'm looking for a flat red to replace that, but I'm going to be using two flat colors to bring the paint to life. With a couple magnets, a little bit of razzle dazzle, this will be all done, so definitely make sure you guys stay tuned. And in the meantime, definitely check out how I made these Wolverine gauntlets. BZ Comics, peace.